Robin!
Jason!
Robin! Jason, Robin! Get her away from this car before that tank blows. Let's go. Come on.
Robin!
Oh, Brenda, wait. You can't help her.
Robin!
911, I'm on it. Let me see. Robin, let me look at her.
Don't touch her.
Matt, give him a second. Is she breathing?
She's fine.
She's not fine.
Brenda, Jason's with her. There's nothing you can do for her.
Emily, call the penthouse and make sure Michael's okay. Do it.
The ambulance is on the way. Jason, you've got to let us help her.
I said don't touch her!
He'll fight you, Matt. Besides, there's nothing you can do until the ambulance comes.
Okay, thank you. Michael's fine.
Jason, did you hear that? Michael's okay.
Wake up, please. Please. He didn't die.